What's going on, man?
I just got a flat tire.
How'd you get a flat tire?
That I don't know, but
I don't know. It just happened.
yeah, just left work. I can make it to the house. I got another tire. I'm good.
You got your license on you?
No, I do not.
Do you have a license? Is that?
Say what?
Do you have a license?
Yeah, I'm trying to get home though, man. I just caught a flat tire.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. I was just gonna
So,
check to make sure you're okay, and then you stopped in the middle of the road.
No, you hurt my tire. That's obviously the reason why I stopped.
I don't know why you're getting so defensive.
I'm
just checking.
Look. Don't you see this?
I'm literally checking.
But I have to get home to my baby, man.
I get it. I don't know why you're being so defensive, though. You are. You're jumping down my throat here when all I was doing is just checking up on you.
I'm not jumping down your throat.
I'm in. All right. What's your name? What's your name?
Hold on a second.
What's your name? Hey, man, get off your phone. If you give me your name, date of birth, we'll get you going out of here, okay?
Because of my tire, that's why you're going to check my plates?
Well, your plate's not coming back to anything. Hey!
I caught a flat tire, so you're going to ask for my license because I caught a flat tire. I just left work.
I gotcha.
I'm getting a hard
If you
time.
just give us your name, date of birth,
And I'm trying to
we
get-
can attach you to this because I'm out with you. As long as you come back clean, we'll let you go. I don't get what the problem is.
When you have your four-ways on, that's your hazard lights.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Okay, then
But you
that's why
stopped in the middle of the road.
I did not stop in the middle of the
You
road.
stopped right here.
Yes, because I have my hazards on. You're allowed to stop if you got your hazards on.
And I'm allowed to stop to make sure you're okay.
Yes, I'm okay. My tire went
What's your name and date of birth, buddy?
Hello?
Taking my for obstruction.
The police just stopped me. My tire went flat, and now they ask me where my license is.
Yeah, the plate doesn't come back to anything.
I don't understand why they're giving me a hard time.
You're giving me a hard
I did
time.
not jump down your throat, and you got me on cam. I did not jump down
You
your throat.
did. I just asked for your
The
name and
only
date of
thing I
birth,
said
buddy.
was-
That's all I
The
wanted.
only thing I said was I'm trying to get home to my baby.
I can't hear you, so I don't know.
She said I'm a Morris national. You know what that means?
I don't know what that is.
The term Moorish national driver that the lawyer refers to is a term used by some members of the Moorish sovereign citizen movement who believe they are not subject to United States traffic laws. They also may attempt to use fraudulent documents or claim sovereign status to avoid having a driver's license, registering their vehicle, or paying fines. The lawyer will continue using this tactic even when she soon shows up to argue with officers in person.
Tell him.
Okay, we'll just tow your vehicle.
You just gonna tow my vehicle? Yeah. Sorry, they just said they gonna tow my vehicle. Really?
It's got a flat tire. You can't be driving it. The plates don't come back to anything. How about you just give me your name and date of birth?
Okay, what's your name and badge number?
Officers in Galley, badge number 8070.
What's your status?
Keep your hands out of your pockets.
Oh, my hands ain't in my pockets. What's your status?
What do you mean status?
What's your status? Where's your nationality? You don't have one.
What are you talking?
We're not making a nationality thing about it.
What nationality, man? I'm with the police department.
We are nationalists, Moors American. You know what that means? I'm not in no jurisdiction.
You're in our jurisdiction.
We're not in your jurisdiction. You are a friend of
56 in my head.
It is for the Mirror Rights.
Do I have to have you come up here?
Her coming out here is not going to do anything, man.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Your plates don't come back to anything. You're driving down here with a flat tire. You got a light out.
Okay, that's not my fault that I caught a flat tire, man. Like I wanted to catch a flat tire. I didn't want to do this. Man.
Just tell me who you are.
Then give me your information and you go home to your son. Okay, is she an attorney?
Is she what? Is she an attorney? Yes, she is.
What's her bar number?
Sorry, they said what's your bar number? When you're a more national American, you don't need that.
Yeah, you do.
No, you don't need a bar number.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
In order to be an attorney in the United States, yes, you do.
do not.
Yes, you do.
I just had her represent me for a case. No, you do not.
Go tell her to get ready for another case.
They said to tell you to get ready for another case. What's your badge number?
Real 63.
Sorry, write it down. Real 63. The hazards means if somebody's falling behind
The hazards don't mean that I can't stop you, okay?
Okay, well-
the hazards mean I can still jump out with you, buddy. It's
You hurt my tire, so
yeah, that's why I'm making sure everything's okay. Making sure your car is
if I would
able to be driven. How come your plates don't come back to anything?
Do I know?
How come your plates don't come back to
They
anything?
should.
They don't. I ran them twice. But I need to know who you are. You're about to be under arrest. Just tell me who you are.
So they said they about to arrest me. Can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to cause no issue.
Yeah, what's going on?
I just told the officer here, I'm trying to get here to my son. Huh? Is the sergeant out here?
I am sergeant.
You're the sergeant?
Yeah.
Okay, he's out here, sergeant. Look it up. Look it up. Hey, look. I work at the freaking van out there.
Can I talk to you, not the phone? I can't listen to both of you, okay? Can you just hang up for a minute and call her back?
Okay, just hold up. I'll stay on the phone.
Okay, can you mute her or something for a minute?
She's my authorized representative.
Okay, so what's going on?
I just called a flat. He said that I stopped in the middle of the road. I wasn't bothering nobody. I wasn't causing any harm.
Okay.
Okay? I didn't damage nobody's goods. So therefore, like, what is the issue? I'm standing out here freezing my ass off now because they said I didn't give my information. If you was really trying to help me, you would try to see about the tire, not about the plate.
Okay, well, your vehicle's causing a hazard in the road, so they have every right to...
And I was trying to pull over, but now...
Okay, so why aren't you giving your information?
Because that's not why you stopped me, it's because I just...
It's Fifth Amendment right. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise.
Please just hang up the phone.
What's the crime that's being committed?
What's the crime this man committed?
Your vehicle's causing a hazard in the road, okay? So if you don't give your information and stuff, we'll just tow the vehicle. I'm trying to understand what's going on, but I can't listen to you on the phone at the same time, okay?
No, we're not talking at the same time.
I'm not listening to both of you, okay? Let's hold on a minute. So what's going on?
He came by. It sounded like he had a flat, so
Yeah.
I got behind him. As I get behind him, he just stops.
Okay.
So I put my lights out, and I jump out. It looked like he was looking at his side of his thing. So I was like, "Hey, buddy, what's going on?" I ran the plate. Plate doesn't come back to anything. There's no registration sticker on it or anything.
Yeah.
So I come out. I'm like, "Hey, just give me your information. That way we can just make sure everything's okay."
Yeah.
He refuses to. Says he's a whatever national. I'm thinking sovereign stuff. He says that's his girlfriend or wife, whoever. He says it's his attorney, and she doesn't have a bar number because she doesn't need one.
He doesn't want to identify himself, he can go to jail then.
Yeah. I mean, because the plate comes back to nothing.
Yeah. Alright, it's the last chance. You either give your ID or you're going to go to jail for failure to identify yourself, okay? So, your choice.
Look, man, we just want your identity. We just want.
It's no big deal.
Hello? Okay, so now they said they're going to take me to jail.
Just identify yourself.
Because I didn't identify myself, that's why.
And you're driving a motor vehicle.
No, sir, I'm traveling.
Hook him.
All right. Hands on your back, buddy.
All right, so now he's booking me.
I don't know why you made this difficult. Do you not have a driver's license? Is that the issue?
You got warrants?
No, sir, I don't think I do. I was just trying to get home to my son. That's all you had to do is get your information.
Is this you or you Ben?
That's what it says here.
Was this all worth it?
Huh?
Is this worth it? It didn't have to go this way.
I don't know why you didn't identify yourself. That's all we needed from you.
Put in the car.
All right.
Listen, this is your last chance. You can either identify yourself now, and we can just go with what's going on with this vehicle, or you can go to jail for obstruction and failure to identify yourself. So it's your choice what you want to do right now.
I'm just trying to get home to my son, man.
Okay, so you got a driver's license? It's not a big deal if you don't have a driver's license. Do you not have one?
My driver's license is at the house. All I'm just trying to do is get home.
Do you have a valid license?
I don't know if it's valid, but I have.
Are you willing to give your social security number?
I don't have my social security number on me, but I do.
You don't know it?
No, not by heart.
All right, what's your name and date of birth? Do you know that?
Cox was contacted, they'll be en route, and
my
vehicle will be
ID?
attached.
Okay, what's your date of birth so we can look you up?
He's not got license.
Attached to the RP.
Is that why you want to identify yourself?
I didn't think I was suspended.
Have a seat in the car.
Yep.
Go and have a seat.
Yeah, I get
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, we explained to you a million times.
I am claustrophobic.
You know you also have a warrant out of Erie County, right? What's your warrant for out of Erie County?
What do you mean warrant for out here in town?
You have a warrant out of Erie County, so what's it for? Do you know?
I have no warrant out here in town.
Okay, well, they'll come pick you up when you get out of jail, okay?
Later, after the suspect is booked in at the jail, his lawyer shows up.
I was on the phone. I was the one on the phone that
Okay.
heard everything that went on.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out, you guys got him as obstructing and failure to identify.
That's correct.
Yeah, his Fifth Amendment right, he does not have to identify. And then, did you guys have a Fourth Amendment sworn warrant to search and seize him and his vehicle?
The vehicle was towed because it did not have valid plates, and it was obstructing the roadway with a flat tire.
What actual crime was committed?
Originally, I was just checking on him due to the fact that he had a flat tire. He stopped in the middle of the roadway, so
Yeah,
he was.
had on his hazards too.
Yeah, but he was obstructing the road.
But when I told you, I referred to you on the phone that he was a Morse
Yeah.
national, you guys disregarded it.
He still has to follow the laws of the state of Ohio.
Okay, let me read this to you real quick. So he was traveling for one, and I would just like to know, what is the crime for? The crime that you're putting it as is for obstructing the roadway and
Yeah.
failure to identify. As I told you,
He was obstructing the roadway with his vehicle. The plates did not come back to the vehicle, so that's fictitious plates.
I wouldn't say they were fictitious.
They did not come back to the vehicle, which under the law
So
means they
what
are
made you
fictitious.
stop to even bother him? Is
I was stopping to check on him originally.
I mean, you were stopping to check, but then as soon as you stopped to check, you
I ran the
asked
plates because-
you ran the plates beforehand or after.
Right before I got out of the vehicle, I ran the plates.
You ran the plates.
They didn't come back to anything. I ran them again through my dispatcher when I was up there to make sure that I didn't just mess it up, so verifying that.
So you ran the plates beforehand, and then you ran them again.
Because I had to know who I was out with. I'm allowed to run any plate that's on the roadway.
Not
Yes.
technically. No, not
Yes,
not
technically.
technically.
It is-
'Cause I
it
mean,
is-
it's
case
have
law.
Laws. I mean, yeah, I have case law in front
Yeah.
of me, so I know how to read it off my top of my head as well on the
Yeah.
paper. But he was traveling as well. But you obviously didn't even have a crime that existed, and you didn't. Was there an injured party?
No, there doesn't need to be.
You violated his Fourth Amendment right as well as his Fifth. He has a Fifth Amendment right, which I'm sure you're aware of because you took oath to it, right? The Constitution.
Any questions you need about the law, you can speak to
You took oath, right?
you can talk to the attorney.
I don't need
once
to
she
speak
gets.
with an attorney.
Oh no,
I'm
she's
counsel myself.
no,
I don't need to
no,
speak.
our attorney.
Yeah, your
Yeah.
So, but what
Which
I'm saying is,
you can talk to her about that
I mean,
once.
but you did.
I'm going to
How
yes,
can-
but I'm going to write the
how can I
report
speak to her
and then I'm going to
about
give it to her.
How can I speak
and then
to her about something that's coming from you? You were
because I'm going to write the report. She's going to file the charges, so everything's going to go through her.
So he wasn't taken before a judge before you guys locked him up with this kidnapping, correct?
No, not
So
correct.
he wasn't. Yeah, it is correct.
Not correct.
You didn't take him before a judge.
No, I took him to jail.
Anytime you arrest someone, they're supposed to go before a judge.
He goes before the judge tomorrow,
And he's supposed tomorrow. That's not
In the
what I
morning.
got from the
In the morning.
Huron County.
unless he bonds out.
No, that's not what I got from him. He
Unless
told
he
me
bonds
he'll
out.
be there from Wednesday to Monday.
Well, he has a warrant out of Erie County as well.
So you didn't see that warrant when you ran his tags?
No, because the tags didn't come back to anything. Once we ran the VIN off the truck, it came back to him.
Who's the other officer?
Officer Real.
Real?
Yeah, he gave you his name over the phone as well.
No, he didn't give me his badge.
Real 63.
Real 63 is what he said.
Real or real?
Real, R-E-E-L,
REL. Okay, and his badge number is 63?
63.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you,
Yeah, no problem.
and we'll see you in court.
Yep, that's cool.
Less than a month later, the suspect is stopped by police for his fictitious plates yet again.
Ben, I got a warrant for your arrest.
A warrant for my arrest?
Yep.
For what?
Step out of the vehicle.
For what?
You didn't show up for court.
I didn't show up for court.
Yeah. Ben, step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle for what?
You got a warrant.
My court date is not until January 18th. What do you mean?
Step out of the vehicle or I'm going to force my way in there and get you out of there.
You mean you're going to force your way in here?
First of all, you're not running this show, Mr. I am.
No, you're not.
You are obstructing.
How are you running the show?
I'm the one that stopped you.
For what? Because I got a warrant?
First of all, these plates are expired to even come back to this vehicle.
Because what?
Those plates on the back of your
so
car
what-
does not even come to this vehicle.
What does that have to do with a warrant?
You have a warrant
For what? And for where?
for the charges that Officer Zagala had.
He's listening.
I can't hear. I'm not going to listen to her nonsense.
Well, you know what? That's up to you if you don't want to listen.
Okay, if you do not go to the vehicle, I'm going to break this window and take you out.
Okay, Sade. So I got it on video. He said he's going to break my window if I don't get out. You break it out, that's on you, bud. Go on and break it out. Go ahead.
I will. I'm waiting till the sergeant gets here.
Go ahead.
And we're going to break
Go
it.
ahead.
What's the problem?
He's not getting out of the vehicle. He said break the window to get him out, so I was waiting for you to get here. Comes back to a Volvo. So the same charges we dealt with in the past, we got him again.
Mr. You need to step out of the car, man, okay?
For what?
Because you have warrants.
Can you show me the paperwork that I have a warrant?
Yes, I will. You have 3 additional warrants
For what?
for failure to appear, for the fictitious, for the DUS, and what was the other one? Another one.
Yeah, it was 3 of
But
them.
there's 3 of them. Because apparently you missed the court date.
Plus you're driving under suspension.
And you're currently driving under suspension. Just don't make this any worse than it needs to be, dude.
Well, I'm not trying to make anything worse.
You're being non-compliant, okay?
I'm not being non-compliant.
Well, we're asking you to step out. It's a lawful order. But this is going to escalate, and you're going to catch more charges, which are felony charges.
You're not consent to any power.
She's not even an attorney.
The whole thing is we don't want to bust your window out. I would like you to step out. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds to open, and we're going to bust your window out, and we're going to drag you out of there.
He said he's going to give me 5 seconds.
1,
And he's going to bust the window out.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. Bust the window out.
Oh, yeah. Step out, Mr.
Step out of the car. I said step out of the car.
What are you doing? I'm not even resisting. I'm not resisting at all. Nah, that glass cut me in the face.
It's all right.
That's all right that the glass cut me in the face?
You're okay.
Hey, the cuffs are tight on me.
I'm going to re-adjust them.
No, the cuffs are tight on me.
They're okay, because I can fix my fingers in there. They're double locked and cuffed.
Make sure you put my phones where I can see them. Don't try to reach for my groin area.
I'm not reaching for your groin.
Yes, you did. You just tried to touch my groin area. Man, that's a violation. Why would you try to do that?
Have a seat.
Can I get in the truck?
Yeah, have a seat.
How can I have a seat like that? I gotta step in. I'm supposed to have a seat standing up. I can't. Wow. And you didn't adjust these cuffs. They are not adjusted, man.
Okay,
They're
I
tight
teach
as
this.
hell.
I teach this class in the academy.
Okay. All right.
3 months later, police find out Ben still hasn't taken care of his warrants or his fictitious plates during yet another traffic stop. But this time, his fake lawyer shows up in her vehicle and Ben hops in her back seat and locks the door. The fake lawyer then demands to see the official paperwork that shows Ben's warrant for his arrest.
What is it saying? It said arrest. Let me see the front page too. I need to see everything.
This is the original. That's the copy.
Let me see the front page. Let me
It's
read
the same page.
Okay, don't get smart. I'm not getting smart
Hey,
with you.
read it and then let him out.
I'm not yelling
Yes.
at me. No, you won't.
You're obstructing. You're going to go to jail too.
You're going to go to jail. You keep playing because you.
It's right here. It's right here.
Okay, let me read it. I don't see where it says arrest.
Not bondable. Must sit 20 days in jail.
Okay, where's the arrest part at?
This is a warrant for arrest. Open up.
And you are Nick Zengel?
Yes,
And you
ma'am.
pulled up and you're going to be taking him to see a judge right away, right?
I'm going to take him to jail. He's going to see a judge in the morning.
You're not going to see a judge right
This
now.
is how it works. It's going to work the same time as the same way as last time.
And which way was that?
He goes to jail, and then he sees the judge in the morning.
Open the door.
Open the door.
I'm opening it. Don't touch my door handle. I got it. He can get out. And do not use excessive force. And I'm not playing with any of you. And I want all your badge numbers.
You have mine already.
Okay, what's his?
I don't know.
Open the door now.
What's your badge number?
Open the door.
Open. Come on, Ben.
Okay, he's coming.
He's not.
Quit reaching for shit. Quit reaching. Open the door.
Zengel, make him stand down, because I'm not playing.
I can't make him do anything.
Yes,
Get
you
out,
can.
Ben.
Give me
Get
your-
out.
Okay, he finna get out. I'm about to unlock it. Yeah, I'm following him right now. And if you use excessive force, it's your ass. He got the door.
Step out.
Go on. Turn around, face the car.
Okay, he is. Okay, and don't use excessive force, because I'm watching your ass.
Take my coat off. Take my coat off.
Here, give me just let me get his coat.
Take my coat off so she can get my coat.
Yeah,
I'll
we
roll
got
along.
it. We got it.
Now, Zengel, you know you a defender to the lawsuit, right?
And I hope you ain't got your gun out. And I want your badge numbers now. Put it right there. Here, hand it to me. Hand it to me. Zengel.
You want to go for obstruction?
Yeah,
Ain't no
I do.
obstruction. I don't care what you say. Hey, don't
What you
touch
doing,
me!
What you doing,
Hey, put your fucking pull on me! I'll get out!
Get out of the car
I'll
now.
get out! I'm getting out!
Get out of the car
I'm
now.
getting out now!
Don't reach for shit. Get out of the car.
She's under arrest.
Resist
Get out
shit!
of the car.
I'm getting
Dude,
out!
get off
Can you
of her,
please
man.
let me go? I'm stepping out! Stop and let me
Step off of
go!
her.
Now don't do that, bitch.
Turn around.
You got me up. And you, I got
away
it.
from me like that.
No, don't you fucking touch me. Don't grab my wrist.
Dude,
Crazy, bro. Think
can't
and you
believe you
just
just
told
let
him
them
to
do
do
that,
that. You know what's
You're
up.
under arrest for obstructing.
No, I didn't obstruct shit.
What is she instruct, Zengel?
No, I
You knew you were under arrest. She showed up in a car to pick you up and get you out of there.
Get him out of here. Put him in the car.
That shit does not make any sense, man.
You knew you had warrants. You barricaded yourself
I did
inside.
not barricade myself.
You locked yourself in there.
Dude, did you see what your officer did to me?
Alert, yes, safety truck.
That shit doesn't make any
Sit
sense.
down.
I can't believe this shit, man.
You should have just turned yourself in.
Look,
Sit.
hold on.
Sit.
Can you hold on a
No,
second?
I can't. Sit.
These fucking cuffs are tight, man.
Yeah, because you got big
Seriously.
wrists, man. Come on.
Can you undo this a little bit? It's cutting my wrist circulation off, brother. I promise.
Hey, I'll undo them, but when we take you into the jail in there, I'll undo them, okay?
Okay. Are you taking me right away? Because this shit cut my wrist off.
Calm down.
No, you calm down.
All this didn't need to happen tonight.
No, I really
Why
don't
didn't
wanna
he come
talk to
out?
you. Why are you even coming to get me? For one, I just picked him up from work. What
You had
you just
warrants.
did
You knew
was
we were out
invalid.
there. You locked the door. in
I
our face.
did not lock the door in your face. My door's always locked, bro.
Him.
Off rip, he told me to come pick him up from work. I don't have to lie about shit. I'm counsel. I actually have my car.
Banana.
in my car. I don't want
Yes, safety truck.
Why didn't you just come out? Why'd you get your sister involved in this, man?
Man, look. The stuff that happened to me last week, dude, I was afraid he was going to do something to me. I'm not even lying. I wasn't even bothering nobody. And I was afraid that somebody was going to
You
do
got
something to
warrants.
me, man.
You know you have
All right,
warrants.
hop back in the car, all right?
Get back in the car.
You got big wrists. It's just something that happens, all right?
I'm not insubordinate at all. Oh, can you let my window up? Because I don't consent to my car being searched. They don't have permission to search my car.
Okay, get in the car. shoes, pillows. His sister is more of one, but yeah, they're the Morris Nation or whatever. And they have already sued the judge, both judges up here, the law director, all that, pretty much the whole police department. I don't know what they're trying to prove.
Ben and his fake lawyer were taken to jail without further incident. While the fake lawyer was charged with obstruction, Ben was charged with failure to identify and obstructing official business for the first incident, totaling a bond of $6,000. For the second incident, he was charged with driving an unsafe motor vehicle, fictitious plates, and non-compliance. For the third incident, he was charged with 2 counts of fictitious registration, driving with a suspended license, non-compliance, failure to comply with a police officer, failure to disclose personal information, and obstructing official business. During Ben's trial, where he showed up with his fake lawyer, the court rendered its verdict and imposed sentence, but then Ben shouted gibberish to drown out the judge. For all incidents, he was ordered to serve 330 days of jail time, but only 60 days were required due to the rest being suspended. He was placed on probation for 2 years and was ordered to pay $880 in fines and $680 court costs. During trial, he consistently disrupted court with Moorish sovereign arguments.
Now, what would you do if someone claimed they weren't bound by the same laws as everyone else? If they told you the police, the courts, and even the government itself had no power over them? And that's not hypothetical, it's the worldview of Moorish sovereign citizens, a movement that's been colliding with law enforcement across the country. To the untrained eye, their defiance might look like simple stubbornness, but beneath the surface, there's an entire pseudo-legal belief system fueling these encounters. The Moorish sovereign citizen movement traces its roots back to the early 20th century, borrowing identity themes from the Moorish Science Temple of America, a group that originally focused on spirituality and cultural pride. Now, over time, groups distorted that heritage into a legal theory that claims special status through a centuries-old treaty between Morocco and the United States. The problem is no court has ever recognized this interpretation, and every attempt to use it as a defense in modern America has been struck down. They often point to obscure documents or self-created IDs that they believe grant them autonomy, whether it's refusing to get a driver's license, declining to register a car, or claiming immunity from taxes. However, none of these positions has survived legal scrutiny. Now, the idea of sovereignty, of answering to no one, feels liberating, so it's no coincidence that these beliefs often find traction online where conspiracy theories thrive. So for police officers, awareness is crucial, and training materials across the country now specifically identifies sovereign citizens' rhetoric. So the question is, if the law can be bent by self-declared exceptions, what happens to the idea of justice for everyone else?